Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Adobe Express templates for repeatable brand posts. Easy tutorial step-by-step. Open Adobe Express and sign in to your account. Navigate to the Templates section on the main dashboard. Look for the My Templates tab. Click on it to view all your saved templates. Locate the template you want to restore for your brand post. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you've found the desired template, click on it to open. Review the template to ensure it meets your branding needs. If adjustments are needed, make any necessary edits to the template's design. Use the toolbar to change colors, fonts, or images as required. Once you're satisfied with the modifications, click on the Save button. To ensure you can easily access this template later, rename it if needed. Now, go back to the main dashboard. Navigate back to the Templates section. You will now see your updated template in the My Templates tab. Repeat these steps for any other templates you wish to restore. You are now ready to create repeatable brand posts using your restored templates. This process streamlines your branding efforts and saves you time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.